This is the new i250 TWS Super copy of AirPods Pro. It comes with 2 extra ear tips and 1 Apple cable. Design are very similar the Apple AirPods Pro. Faucet control like original. Tap control. Up to 30 feet Bluetooth range in the open space is available. Music time 4 to 5 hours non-stop. 16 hours with case. Enhanced audio, clear sound and good amount bass. Check details. Worldwide sale. Huge order. Purchase link on description below. Get coupons. Check specification. Customer reviews are very well. "60-day buyer protection, money-back guarantee." Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share my video.